our preliminary investigations would have revealed that the list currently as printed and released to the public does not accurately and properly capture changes of constituency boundaries. There are persons who ought to have been in new boundaries are outside of them, and persons who are within new boundaries as published by the list are not properly so placed based to the requirements. But Adam, there's a more fundamental issue involved here rather than just simply the location of the boundaries and whether the residents or the voters are competently placed. The underlying question here is a legal question as to the competency of the local government minister to unilaterally exercise a power to alter constituency boundaries. And I believe a proper examination of the law would reveal that the Minister of Local Government is not possessed with that authority to change constituency boundaries within a local authority area. The local democratic organs vest the minister with the power to create local authority areas, but not to fix constituency boundaries within those areas. That is a power that is devolved and vested by the Constitution and a number of supporting legislation which vests that power within the ambit, within the breast solely of the Guyana Elections Commission. So consequently, the preparation of a list based on such an improper exercise of power by the local government minister will obviously impact negatively on the legality and compliance with the law in relation to a list. At this stage, I will say that the entire system, the entire rollout of all mechanisms necessary for the proper holding of our local government elections in accordance with the Local Government Elections Act, the Local Democratic Organs Act, and the powers vested in the Guyana Elections Commission, it is completely in shambles. It is a complete, total, devastating mess. It is an embarrassment to the country, and it's a shame that after so many months of the call for local government elections, that the first rodeo of the chief elections officer has turned out to be such a total embarrassment, such a total calamity for the Elections Commission. And what is more worrying is the silence of the chairman of the Elections Commission, why the citizens go through this charade.